We're back again. Veronica's got a bit of a signal here. It's a little bit inverted, I think. Might be a nice piece. We've got, she got about a half grammer just down the gutter there before. And I got a piece up there, about a half grammer. So we'll see what this is.
It's not too far down and you're in the gravel straight away.
Yeah.
On a little island in the creek.
It is. Might be under that bit of tree root thing, old stump, tree root. Don't think it'll take real long to find out. Not too bad at digging. Of course I'm not doing the digging. Still down there, eh?
Straight down there, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, we came down this way down the creek today. Yesterday we were further up the creek. Up there, and we got some pieces up along the top of the hill.
Bit of stone we're getting out.
Yeah, old slaty looking stuff. Sounds good.
Sounds really good.
Fingers crossed.
Yep.
Don't put a hole through it.
Try not to.
Might have to go deeper and wider yet.
Rock bottom there.
She wouldn't let me do the digging this time. She wanted me to do the filming.
You didn't offer.
Oh. Getting closer now. Pretty good dig for an 11-inch coil. Whatever it turns out to be.
It's not packed too tight. It's
No.
just good.
It's nice looking gravel down there.
Isn't it?
Broken quartz and a bit of rotted slate. No wonder the old timers liked it here.
I might have to make the hole bigger.
Need to take a bit more out under that root.
Okay.
Sorry to make you do all the work.
Yeah, I'm sure.
We've only been 5 minutes and a bit yet. Big bits of gravel coming out. Beautiful.
Oh, a few spikes around.
Yeah.
Oh, we're still digging.
See if you can get that lump out over this side in there. Yeah. Full of good advice again, as you can tell.
Love that.
Must be well over a foot deep now.
Booster got bumped.
Well, it turned off.
Just volume down.
It's out this
Okay.
time. Let's go track it down. Must be a decent sized piece. There's signal all over the heap. Push the dirt towards the coil. Just grade it with your shovel. Or not.
Or not. Hey, how about we try this?
Go for the big bits first. Try the pinpointer again. It's got to be right there, you'd think.
She makes a good noise.
Alright, we got hold of it this time. That's it there, is it?
Yep.
Looks like it might be somewhere around an ounce.
Oh, what a
maybe.
beautiful piece.
How good's that?
Excellent.
Don't you love it when a plan comes together?
I know. Good stuff.
Ripper.
Holy shit.
Yep, that too.